Want to learn how to use the BOSU Ball at Planet Fitness? In this video, I explain what the BOSU Ball is and demonstrate some key exercises you can perform. Let's get started. A BOSU Ball is a piece of workout equipment that consists of an inflated rubber dome with a rigid flat platform on the other side. There are also corners on the flat side that can be used as handles for certain exercises. BOSU is an acronym that originally stood for both sides up, but now stands for both sides utilized, meaning you can use either the dome or flat sides in your workout routine. You'll most commonly find the BOSU balls in the Planet Fitness 360 area, which you can learn more about in the video on the top right, or sometimes in the stretching area. The BOSU ball is commonly used for balance, strength, and cardio training, and you can perform a variety of different exercises with it. The instability of the BOSU ball engages your stabilizer muscles, so you can maintain balance when performing exercises like squats and push-ups. It also adds some variety to make your workout more interesting and enjoyable. To get on the BOSU ball with the dome side up, just place your feet on top hip width apart. To get on the BOSU ball with the dome side down, which is a little more challenging, place one foot on one side of the BOSU ball's flat surface, tilting the ball to the side. Then place the opposite foot on the opposite side of the surface, shoulder width apart, balancing yourself. It's normal for your legs to wobble if you haven't been on a BOSU ball before, or if it's your first time after a long while. Your body will adjust and get used to the instability over time, making you more stable. Something you can try for assistance is placing the BOSU ball near a wall, so you can place your hand on the wall for support. Now here are some key exercises you can perform with the BOSU ball. BOSU ball squats. The BOSU ball squat has you standing on the BOSU ball performing squats while maintaining balance. This exercise works the core stabilizers, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform this exercise, stand on the dome side of the BOSU with your feet hip width apart. Inhale, pushing your hips back and bending your knees to lower down into a squat. Exhale and extend your legs while maintaining balance on the BOSU ball. To make this exercise more challenging, stand on the flat side of the BOSU ball, which creates greater instability and activates your core stabilizers more. Progress further by adding a weight. Perform this movement for the desired number of reps and sets or for time. BOSU ball lunges. BOSU ball lunges strengthen the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core stabilizers. To perform this exercise, place one foot on the dome side of the BOSU ball with the opposite foot planted on the floor in front of you. Inhale. Get into a lunge position by lowering your body until both knees are bent at around 90 degrees. Keep your front knee aligned with your ankle and back knee lowered towards the floor. Exhale. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for the desired number of reps and sets or for time, then switch legs. You can also make this exercise more challenging by making it weighted. BOSU ball push-ups. BOSU ball push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To perform this exercise, start with the BOSU ball dome side down. Place your palms on the flat surface of the BOSU ball a little wider than shoulder width apart and get into a plank position. You can also hold onto the handles of the BOSU to create more instability and make the exercise a little more challenging. Inhale, lower your chest down to the BOSU ball. Exhale, push and extend your arms, returning to starting position. Perform this movement for the desired number of reps and sets or for time. BOSU ball plank. A BOSU ball plank activates your core, shoulders, chest, glutes, and quads. To perform this exercise, start with the BOSU dome side down. Get into either a high plank position by placing your palms on top of the flat side of the BOSU ball, hands below your shoulders, or into a more challenging low plank position by resting on your forearms with your elbows below your shoulders. For either variation, engage your core and keep your body straight as you hold the plank position while breathing in and out. Hold for the desired duration. BOSU ball mountain climbers. BOSU ball mountain climbers are a cardio exercise that challenges the core, shoulders, triceps, quads, and hip flexors. To perform this exercise, start with the BOSU dome side down. Place your palms on the flat side of the BOSU ball, wider than shoulder width apart, and get into a plank position. You can also hold onto the handles. Drive your knees toward the BOSU ball and alternate your legs quickly, breathing in and out throughout the movement. Perform this exercise for the desired number of reps and sets or for time. BOSU ball lateral jump squats. BOSU ball lateral jump squats are a cardio movement that involves jumping on a BOSU ball from side to side and engages the core, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To perform this movement, place one foot on top of the BOSU ball and the other foot planted on the ground. Inhale, come down into a squat, pushing the hips back and bending the knees. Then exhale, extend your legs and push off your foot from the BOSU and move to the side, with the planted foot now landing on top of the BOSU ball. Repeat this movement to move back to the starting position and continue alternating for the desired number of reps and sets or for time. BOSU ball burpees. BOSU ball burpees are a full body cardio movement that works your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform this exercise, start with the BOSU ball dome side down. Hold onto the handles and get into a plank position. Perform a push-up by lowering your chest down to the BOSU ball and then extend your arms. Jump your feet forward to get into a squat position while bringing the BOSU ball overhead. Then fully extend your legs, hop up, and land on your feet. returning to a squat, and placing the BOSU ball to the ground and yourself back to a plank position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets, or for time. So those are just a few of the many exercises you can perform with the BOSU ball at Planet Fitness. Are you going to give them a try? Let me know in the comments below. And check out my other Planet Fitness videos in the playlist on the top left. Thanks for watching.